What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today with the Vauxhall Corsa C, as you can see in front here. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace the front crash bar. For those of you who don't know, that's the big metal bar that's just behind the bumper here and goes along the front to protect you in a crash. That's the idea, and it's also easily detachable so that if you do bend it in a crash you can just replace it. Now it's an MOT failure if it is bent, so it's something that if maybe you've just bought a second-hand one or you've bought a car with light crash damage, it's something that does need changing, but not to worry, it's a dead easy job. First thing you want to do is get the bonnet open, and the next thing we need to do is get the full front bumper off and out the way. But not to worry again, because I've already done a video on that. So in the top right hand side of your screen now, there'll be a link to the bumper removal and replacement video, and that takes you through everything you need to know to get it off step by step and put it back on. But for now, let's get these off and jump straight to that point. So, as you can see, we've got the bumper off, bonnet up, everything out of the way, revealing this silver bar here. This is your crash bar. And you know what guys, there's no way to sort of drag this video out. It's so simple. We've got a bolt here that you can see. We've got this little sort of conduit full of wires that literally are just on these little plastic tabs that you can pull out with a bit of messing about, or get a flat screwdriver underneath them. You just pop up, get them off and out of the way, because obviously you're going to be taking this off. And then another bolt at this end. Now the sort of those star bolts with the funny head on him, but a normal 10mm socket works fine on him. And I think we've got, yeah, a 10mm nut underneath as well. Sorry about the bad lighting, you can just about see that there. So I'll get my socket and spanner, get these two bolts off and be able to pull the crash bar off, and we'll have a quick look at it, show you how to put it back on. But it's pretty self-explanatory, this one. Nice easy one, job that anyone can do at home, as the bumper's not that hard to get off to get to it either. So it's always the simple jobs that are not so simple. Problem I've just come across. Another thing too, that the nut on the bottom is a 13mm, not a 10mm. It's got a 13mm spanner on the bottom, 10mm socket on the top. Problem I've just come across is this pulls up this way, and it's quite a long bolt, as obviously it goes all the way through, and it hits the bottom of the headlight. And there's no play in the headlight to stretch it round. So to get this off, you're going to need to take the headlights off as well, which is not, it's quite easy now the bumper's off. But for a quick recap to that, there'll be another link in the top right hand side of your screen now, if I can say that. And there's also be links in the description to everything on this car, and how to remove and replace the headlight unit, again step by step, so you can get this out of the way as well properly. And it's annoying that, just for the sake of pulling this bolt out, but it needs to be done to get it off. So what I'm going to do for this video, I think it's self-explanatory, the rest of it. Once this bolt comes out, you know, this is now loose, as you can see. The whole thing just pops out. It's just one straight piece of metal, one chunk of metal. Your new one will be exactly the same sort of curve, and that will literally pop back in, slide your bolt straight back down through it all, get your 13mm nut back on the bottom, and tighten them up, torque them up, just give them a good firm sort of, you know, on your ratchet. If you do want official torque ratings, let me know in the comments, I can find them for you. But yeah, that's how to remove and replace the crash bar. I think more of the job is removing other bits to get to it. This itself is very simple. It's just these two bolts, and pull your cable connectors out to get this off it. And the new one should have holes like this that they pop into like so. That one stays in. But yeah, that's how to remove and replace the crash bar, or the impact bar. I'm not sure the official term, it's going to be one of the two, on the Vauxhall Corsa C. I hope you found this useful guys. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Join One Life Cars. You know, you have a problem with your own car, you're not sure what to do, you can request a tutorial on here, and even if it's a car not already shown on the channel, I'll do my best to make it happen. So thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.